Hi, Corey Baydos here at Baydos RV Sales down in Chehalis. Today I want to talk about weight distribution hitches. I have two of them on display here. One is an Equal-i-zer 4-way sway control. The other is an E2 2-way sway control. The differences are, in a 4-way, you have anti-sway this corner and this corner on the head, and on the opposite side, this side and this side. That is your 4-way sway control. This is a Made in America hitch. 10-year, lifetime warranty on the Equal-i-zer. The E2 is a 2-way sway control. You have sway here, an anti-sway here, and it comes with a 10-year warranty on the original purchaser. Hi, Dwayne.
Hi. I had a couple questions for you.
Yes, sir.
With the Equal-i-zer hitch, can you do a 90-degree turn?
Yes, you can.
Can you back up?
You can. And one difference between this hitch and maybe a chain style hitch is on certain hitches you have to remove certain components of it. This hitch, you install it and you go camping. Back up, going forward, turning 90 degrees. It's kind of a all built-in one unit hitch.
Would you say this is better than the chain style?
Yes, sir. It is better. I think you're going to get a lot less confusion. It has 2 bars rather than some of them come with 2 or 4, which I can explain to you in detail with the chain style. It's just better technology.
So tell me, what causes the sway?
Sway, speed, tow vehicle compared to weight rating of the tow trailer, semis, ruts in the road, wind. There's all sorts of factors.
So I've heard fifth wheels tow better than a travel trailer. Is that true?
Typically, yes, but with the right equipment, it's almost equal, I would say. I'd contact a dealer or a hitch specialist, and they can get you set up. And if I feel with the right equipment, it's going to tow as well as what a fifth wheel would tow. Fifth wheel rides over the axles, essentially the tongue weight. On a travel trailer, it's behind. So that's where you're getting a lot of that difference and weight issues. So one thing I will point out, the difference between this and, let's say, a chain style. Everybody's seen a chain style. Those do not have built-in sway control. That's an extra fee you got to add on. And this is a friction plate. It's an extra cost. It's about $100 extra. It's really not designed to work in all elements. So read your manual and read the reviews on this. These are just old technology. I'm not going to say they don't work, but you can't back up with them. So it's another step you have to do, and another expense. Another thing with the Equal-i-zer and E2 is it's kind of like the railroad. The way they do their anti-sway, it's steel on steel. So that's where you're going to get the friction to do the anti-sway.
Fantastic. So is that why these can be noisier than the other styles?
They are noisier. You can add a part onto this if you want to that will eliminate a lot of that noise, but it does reduce the anti-sway by percentage. I don't know the exact percentage. I would take the safety over the noise, or I'd take the safety and deal with the noise, but it is metal on metal, and that is what it's designed to do.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Come see us at Baydos RVs. This is an image with and without a weight distribution hitch. As you can see, the rear is sagging on the lower photo. We're off exit 76 in Chehalis. We sell discount propane and accessories. We sell a variety of parts in our parts facility, from satellite systems to safety devices and LP systems. We have 6 heated bays. Come visit us at baydosrvs.com or 1-800-422-2642.